Hi everyone! So today in math we are going to learn about length. And length is how long something is. It is the distance or the space from one end of an object to the other end. So I have some things here that we're going to look at for our length. So let's say if I want to know the length of this tape dispenser, I'm going to start at one end and then measure all the way to the other end. Another object that we have is our owl book. So if I wanted to know the length of this owl book, I would start at one end and go all the way to the other end. So friends, I have some pieces of paper up on this whiteboard, and they're not all the same length, but each piece of paper has a match or a partner that is the same length. So in order to measure the length of my object to see which ones match, I first have to take two pieces of paper. After I take these two pieces of paper, I'm going to line up the bottoms of the pieces of paper. Do you see how our bottoms are lined up together? They're on the same line. Now, if the top ends match, then it's the same length. But if one is sticking out further than the other, then it's not a match. So if I'm looking at these two pieces of paper, they are not matches. They are not the same length. The orange piece of paper is longer than the blue one because it sticks out further. The blue one is the shorter one. Let's see if I can try again and find a match. I'm going to pick this black piece of paper and this yellow piece of paper. So just like before, I'm going to put the edges together at the bottom, and then I'm going to measure and make sure that they line up on the top side as well. Hey, look at this. I don't see a piece of paper sticking out higher than the other. So these two pieces are a match. They are the same length. So today what I want you guys to do is go around your house and find some items. And I want you to see and measure if those items are longer or if they're shorter, or maybe they're the same length. So if I took my tape dispenser and my stapler, I would make sure that they lined up at the bottom, and then I'd see if they went to the same spot up at the top. Now they don't, so I know my tape measure is longer than my stapler. All right, friends, have fun looking around for different objects to measure.